I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your personal files to an external drive or cloud. Ensure the backup has at least 50 gigabytes free for system image and files. Verify your PC meets Windows 11 requirements, including a 64-bit CPU and TPM2. 0 module. Check you have at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes drive space. Make sure Secure Boot is enabled in firmware settings. Keep your Windows 11 license key or digital entitlement available for activation. Download the official Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft on a working machine. Insert an 8 GB or larger USB drive and format it to FAT32 or NTFS as needed. Open Rufus or the Media Creation tool and select the ISO to create a UEFI GPT bootable installer. Choose Windows 11 Edition that matches your license and enable required options. If the tool warns about TPM or Secure Boot, reboot into BIOS and enable TPM2. 0 and Secure Boot the PC from the prepared USB by selecting the USB drive in Boot menu. Choose Custom Install when prompted and delete the existing system partition to format the drive. Create a new partition for Windows and proceed with installation on the new partition. Enter your product key when requested or choose to activate later after Internet setup. After first boot, install chipset and graphics drivers from the manufacturer website. Run Windows Update, restore your files from backup, and reinstall essential applications to finish setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.